10.8 surface area and the volume of prisms. I can find surface area and volume of prisms.
Can you now find surface area and volume of prisms, Abe?
Yeah.
And you know what prisms are, right?
Yep.
Okay. Prisms are 3D or 2D shapes, you guys. Say again?
3D.
3D. Okay, so here we go. Surface area, the total area of a 3D shape. Volume, the amount of space inside a 3D shape. A triangular prism has what kind of bases, you guys?
Triangular bases.
Triangular bases. And how many bases does a triangular prism have?
3.
Remember, a prism can be stood up. Don't get confused between faces and between bases and faces. So what does a prism stand on? Its base or its face? Its base. So it's going to have a top and the bottom. So if you look at the Kleenex box in the back of the room there, if you tip it upside down, it would be on its other base, right?
Yeah.
So bases would be going to be the top and the bottom. How many bases does a 3D shape have?
2.
2. And then how many faces does a 3D shape have?
6.
Does it depend on the shape?
Yeah.
So a triangular prism would have how many faces? A triangular prism would have how many faces?
3.
3. A rectangular prism would have how many faces? A rectangular prism would have how many faces? 4. Okay. Woo! And if you're confused about that, go back to our Edpuzzle video from, I think it's 10.7. Remember when I did that little insert? My voice insert? I think it was Christian who showed us one, and I said wrong, and then I said, wait, it actually is right.
Yeah.
So go back and look at that. It'll tell you what it is. Here are your formulas. Can somebody tell me what a capital B means in the volume formula? What does a capital B mean, Muna? Area of the base. Okay. Very important that you understand in mathematics, a capital B is going to be the area of a base when calculating volume. Okay. And then in calculating volume, what is another way of looking at calculating volume besides area of the base times the height? What is another way? You're looking at it right now. What is another way of calculating volume besides area of the base times the height? I have 2 hands, 3 hands in the air. I need more than that. I'll ask the question one more time. What is another way of calculating volume besides the formula area of the base times the height, Jacob? Length times width times height. And then area of the base, you guys, is actually length times width, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. Here's an example of us calculating volume of this. What kind of prism is that? Triangular prism. How many faces does a triangular prism have?
2.
3. And here we are calculating surface area of a rectangular prism. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So using your formulas, you're just plugging in the numbers to calculate the surface area and the volume. You need to look at the examples for extra help, but they are there for you in your notes and also right here on the video for surface area and for volume.